Welcome to Lean Learning Lane, the place where money, work, and life skills finally make sense. This channel exists for one simple reason: to make learning practical, simple, and useful without jargon, hype, or pressure. If you've ever felt like you're working hard, earning money, but still not moving forward. If you've ever wondered why school never taught you the things that actually matter. If you've searched for answers and found only complicated spreadsheets, confusing terms, or unrealistic advice, you're in the right place. Lean Learning Lane is about clarity, not complexity, direction, not perfection, systems, not stress. Here you'll learn the things real life requires, explained in a way real people can understand. The problem most people face. Most people don't struggle because they're lazy. Most people don't struggle because they're bad with money. Most people don't struggle because they don't earn enough. They struggle because no one ever gave them a simple system. School taught us how to pass exams. Jobs taught us how to work harder. But almost no one taught us how money actually works, how to manage income when it's inconsistent, how to avoid debt traps, how to build stability before chasing success, how to make smart decisions without feeling overwhelmed. Lean Learning Lane exists to fill that gap with clear, practical education, not motivation, not flashy promises, not get-rich-quick shortcuts, just clarity. What lean learning really means. Lean doesn't mean doing less. It means doing what actually matters and cutting out everything that doesn't. Lean learning is about simple explanations, clear frameworks, fewer rules, better understanding, systems you can use even when life gets messy. You don't need perfection to improve your life. You need directions, and that's exactly what this channel is designed to give you. Lean Learning Lane focuses on 3 essential areas that shape your financial and personal stability. 1. Money basics without confusion. Money doesn't have to be complicated to be powerful. On this channel, you'll learn how budgeting actually works in real life, the 50-30-20 rule and when to adjust it, how to build an emergency fund that fits your lifestyle, why minimum payments keep people in debt forever, how credit cards work and how to use them safely, the truth about credit scores, good debt versus bad debt, why lifestyle inflation quietly ruins people. Everything is explained in plain language, no finance degree required, full real-life systems for stability. Most financial stress doesn't come from big goals like buying a house or retiring early. It comes from small, unexpected moments. A flat tire, a medical bill, a job loss, a family emergency. This channel teaches you how to build stability first, so those moments don't derail your life. You'll learn how to build systems that protect you, how to plan for uncertainty, how to manage money when income is low or inconsistent, how to prioritize safety before growth, because stability creates freedom, not the other way around. 3. Work, skills, and smart progress. Lean Learning Lane is also about how you grow, not just how much you earn. You'll see content on understanding how work actually creates value, making smarter career decisions, learning skills without burning out, avoiding hustle culture traps, growing steadily instead of chasing shortcuts. Progress doesn't have to be loud, it just has to be consistent. What this channel is not about: getting rich overnight, flashy lifestyles, crypto hype, day trading, pressure to grind harder, shame around money mistakes. If you're looking for shortcuts, this might not be the channel for you. But if you want clarity, calm, and control, welcome. Every year on Lean Learning Lane is designed to be. Every video on Lean Learning Lane is designed to be faceless and distraction-free, easy to follow, focused on one clear idea at a time, built around visuals and simple explanations. No yelling, no pressure, no confusion. Just one clear lesson at a time.
Who this channel is for you if you earn money, but don't feel in control of it. You want simple systems instead of complex plans. You feel overwhelmed by financial advice. You want to learn at your own pace. You value understanding over hype. Whether you're in your early 20s just starting out, in your 30s trying to fix past mistakes, or simply tired of feeling confused, Lean Learning Lane meets you where you are. Everything on this channel is built around a few core beliefs. Stability comes before growth, systems beat motivation, simplicity beats complexity, understanding beats shortcuts, progress beats perfection. You don't need to do everything, you just need to do the right things in the right order. Why I created Lean Learning Lane. I created this channel because I've seen too many people work hard and still struggle. People who do everything right, yet feel stuck. People who blame themselves when the system was never explained to them. People who think they're bad with money when they were never taught how it works. This channel exists to change that, not by telling you what to do, but by helping you understand why things work the way they do. Because once you understand the system, you stop feeling lost. You are not the new tool for smarter learning. Let's be honest, AI isn't coming for your job, but someone using AI might right now. People with no technical background are using simple AI tools to create videos, sell digital products, offer service online, build income streams faster than ever. And the best part? You don't need to code. You don't need a big audience. You don't need to be an expert. AI is not magic, it's a multiplier. On Lean Learning Lane, you'll learn how to use AI to save time, improve your skills, build simple income systems, make better decisions, reduce stress, no hype, no jargon, just practical systems that work. What success looks like here? Success on Lean Learning Lane isn't measured by flashy results, it's measured by less stress, more clarity, better decisions, fewer mistakes, more confidence, small improvements compound over time. That's the lane we're in. Lane, you'll learn how to use AI to save time, improve your skills, build simple income systems, make better decisions, reduce stress, no hype, no jargon, just practical systems that work. What success looks like here? Success on Lean Learning Lane isn't measured by flashy results, it's measured by less stress, more clarity, better decisions, fewer mistakes, more confidence, small improvements compound over time. That's the lane we're in. If you want less confusion, more control, better systems, clear explanations, then consider subscribing. New videos are designed to build on each other, so every lesson makes the next one easier to understand. You don't need to know everything to move forward. You just need one clear lesson at a time. This is Lean Learning Lane, where we focus on practical education, one clear lesson at a time. Welcome.